How can I automatically convert all source code files in a folder, recursively, to a single PDF with syntax highlighting? I would like to convert source code of a few projects to one printable file to save on a USB and print out easily later. How can I do that? Edit. First off, I want to clarify that I only want to print the non-hidden files and directories, so no contents of .git, for example. To get a list of all non-hidden files and non-hidden directories in the current directory, you can run the find.typef regex.// ... name. Command as seen as the answer in this thread. As suggested in that same thread, I tried making a PDF file of the files by using the command find.typef regex.// ... name. Empty print 0, zargs -0 a2 ps-1 delegate no ppdf, but unfortunately the resulting PDF file is a complete mess.
I was intrigued by your question and got kinda carried away. This solution will generate a nice PDF file with a clickable index and color highlighted code. It will find all files in the current directory and subdirectories and create a section in the PDF file for each of them. See the notes below for how to make your find command more specific. It requires that you have the following installed. The install instructions are for Debian-based systems, but these should be available in your distribution's repositories. Flattext, color and listings. This should also install a basic LaTeX system if you don't have one installed. Once these are installed, use this script to create a LaTeX document with your source code. The trick is using the listings, part of TextLive LaTeX recommended, and color, installed by LaTeX Color, LaTeX packages. The \using package ... hyperref is what makes the listings in the table of contents clickable links. Run the script in the directory that contains the source files. That will create a file called all.pdf in the current directory. I've tried this with a couple of random source files I found on my system, specifically 2 files from the source of vlc2.0.0, and this is a screenshot of the first 2 pages of the resulting PDF. A couple of comments. The script will not work if your source code file names contain spaces. Since we are talking about source code, I will assume they don't. I added name to avoid backup files. I recommend you use a more specific find command to find your files though, otherwise any random file will be included in the PDF. If your files all have specific extensions, .c and .h, for example, you should replace the find in the script with something like this. Play around with the listings options. You can tweak this to be exactly as you want it. I know I'm way too late, but somebody looking for a solution might find this useful. Based on Turton's answer, I have created a bash script that does the job. This URL.
from Stack Overflow. This will result a result, text containing file name, separator, dash, content of src file. Repeat from the top until all src files are done. If your source code have different extension, just change as needed. You can also edit the echo bit to add necessary information, maybe echo file name $1 or change the separator, or add an end of file separator. The link have other methods, so use whatever method you like best. I find this one to be most flexible, although it does come with a slight learning curve. The code will run perfectly from a bash terminal, just tested on a VirtualBox Ubuntu. If you don't care about file name and just care about content of files merged together, will work perfectly fine. Another method suggested was which will prefix every single line with the file name, which can be good for some people. Personally, I find it too much information, hence why my first suggestion is the for loop above. Credit to those in the Stack Overflow forum people. Edit. I just realized that you are after specifically HTML or PDF as the end result. Some solutions I've seen is to print the text file into PostScript and then convert PostScript to PDF. Some code I've seen then requires you to have GhostScript. Hope this helps.
For information, please use